Module 2 focuses on choosing a dissertation topic. This module has 3 parts: Module 2A, Module 2B, and Module 2C. First, let's review the learning outcomes for Module 2, in which you will 1. Define and explore the benefits of being familiar with your topic and the importance of choosing the right one. 2. Examine several questions to ask in choosing a topic. 3. Review mistakes students make and pitfalls students encounter in topic selection. And finally, 4. Evaluate your options in selecting a dissertation topic. Module 2A will focus on choosing a dissertation topic and discuss 3 related issues. 1. Choosing the right topic. 2. Deadly mistakes students make in selecting a dissertation topic. And 3. Your options in selecting a dissertation topic. Let me start by stating without a doubt that choosing the right topic is extremely critical. If writing a doctoral dissertation is complicated, choosing a dissertation topic is the first major challenge in that complicated process. Your choice of topic will determine the level of complexity, length of your dissertation, and whether you will finish the dissertation and graduate. Many students do not finish their dissertations because their topics turn out to be too difficult, narrow, vague, not interesting, and unfocused. Do not let that happen to you. After you have researched a topic, reflect on it. Then discuss it with a couple of professors and colleagues. Therefore, to choose the right topic, pay attention to some important considerations. 1. Restrict the scope of your topic. Some students believe that their dissertations are expected to resolve major controversies between competing theories or schools of thought in a discipline. As a result, they fail to restrict the scope of their topics, and they end up with more than they had bargained for, usually much more than they can handle in a single dissertation. 2. A topic cannot just be a good idea. Others grab at the first apparent topic or simply neglect to ask the right questions when it comes to choosing one. To put it another way, a dissertation topic cannot just be treated as another worthwhile pursuit or a good thing to study. 3. Although there may never be a perfect dissertation topic, it should nonetheless pass the dissertation topic test described in number 4. This test is comprised of some of the most important questions that you must answer when you are thinking about which topic to choose. In number 4, you must ask the right dissertation topic questions, those that all students should answer when selecting a dissertation topic. Most dissertation writing experts recommend the following 8. 1. Can you easily find peer-reviewed research on this topic? 2. Is your dissertation chair familiar with this topic? 3. Are you excited about the topic? 4. Is your dissertation likely to make an original contribution to your field, either by presenting a new perspective or addressing a meaningful gap in the research field or professional practice? 5. Will your dissertation generate new data for your field or discipline? 6. Based on your research, is there significant and scholarly evidence that your dissertation will address an important or urgent issue in your field? 7. Is your dissertation likely to add new information or contradict previously published academic research on the topic? And 8. Can you apply the scientific method of inquiry to address the research problem generated by the topic? Your answer to each of these 8 questions must be a resounding yes. The reading folder contains information on similar or other questions and specific strategies you should use in selecting a research topic. Addressing those 8 dissertation topic questions will help you avoid some deadly mistakes in selecting a dissertation topic. Sadly, those mistakes can easily be avoided. According to many dissertation experts, those are among the 3 most common mistakes you can make when selecting a topic for your doctoral dissertation. First, students find a topic that fits a set of already collected data that relate to a certain population to which they have access, or data that conform to a preferred research methodology. This is a backward approach that is both inappropriate and destined to further complicate the entire dissertation writing. And worse, this might irritate your potential dissertation chair. I have seen students with boxes of raw data that they had to throw away, simply because they collected the data before choosing their topic. They were stuck trying to fit unrelated data into a topic. Second, some students wait for divine inspiration and divine intervention. They hope that somehow someone will appear with signals that suggest several topics from which to choose. This is not a winning approach to topic selection. And third, students expect dissertation topics to appear out of thin air or because the idea sounds good. This approach is a ticket to the all but dissertation, the dreaded ABD status. This approach always, never works. Many dissertation experts suggest that you have at least 4 clear options in selecting a dissertation topic. First, and most often, you are forced to choose a dissertation topic on your own. In such a case, you must research the topic of your choice. Remember the databases? Use them to conduct your research. Second, you may find the choice being made through negotiation with your chair. This is good since, in effect, you receive this crucial implicit confirmation that your chair is in sync with, or maybe supportive of, your topic. Again, it is important to research this topic so that you can negotiate intelligently. Third, your dissertation chair can choose a topic for you. This could be of great advantage because he or she may have a better overview of the field of study, may know the research sources, and can judge if the dissertation is doable. If you are fortunate to have a chair with some expertise on your topic, you could receive more pointed directions early in the dissertation writing process and avoid some of the deadly mistakes just discussed. Fourth, even when your chair decides, you must still research this topic to ensure that it can pass the dissertation topic test discussed earlier. This ends Module 2A. In Module 2B, we will discuss A. How to negotiate dissertation topics, and B. The importance of knowing your topic extremely well.